Folks often ask me if it hurts for chickens to eat out of your hands, and the simple answer is no, it doesn't hurt. But for the more aggressive chickens, it can feel like someone is jabbing you with the blunt end of a paintbrush, like this. Next time you try to feed your chickens by hand, try this. Instead of bunching your hand like this, where the chicken can accidentally grab and pinch the inside folds of skin on your palm, try extending or flattening out your palm. The fact that your chicken is eating out of your hand to begin with is a major sign your chicken trusts you. So congratulations and keep up the great work.